Hi everyone, and welcome to the Tiger Prism introduction and overview. I'm Richard, so I'm the Head of Service Management here at Tiger.
I'm Sharon Rock, and I'm the Customer Success Manager here at Tiger.
So today, in this first video, we're going to teach you how to navigate your way around Prism, how you access different functions and features within Prism. We're not going to go into how you actually run a report or complete a query, but just show you how you get to that part of the system so that you can actually use it. So without further ado, we'll share the system so we can demonstrate in a live system for you.
Right, okay, this is your landing page. So when you log onto the portal, this is what you'll see. Now, just to explain that some of these tiles are things that you might not see in your username. Prism's very easy to configure, just the tiles you need to see from a security perspective, but all these are different switch types, so you need to know which switch type you want to use. All these down here are all configuration tiles. So to navigate around Prism, you can click on these tiles and you can click the part of that tile that you want to see. So you go into Analytics, you can use your back arrow to go back to the landing page. Also, all of these menu items are down the left-hand side as well, and these tally with the items that are in the tiles. And also, we have the modules over here, which you can use instead of the tiles. The most recent modules you've used are here. Now, going to and from places, you can use this Tiger logo, or it might be your own logo, to go back to the landing page. And if you're in areas like this, you can actually have separate windows open. So you could right click, you could open a new tab, and this will take you to there. You could then perhaps go back to the landing page to get where you need to go for your second tab.
That's great, thank you, Sharon. So if I wanted to run a telephony report, how would I do that? Obviously, you're not on that page at the moment.
So I'm going to go back to the page. So telephony is in this tile here or here. So I'm going to run a report. I'm going to click on the reports, and that takes me into the reporting page. Now, Prism has quite a few reports, so you're going to need to know roughly what you need to do. But under here is all the menus. Once you're in one of them and you've selected one, then you would then have to start working with your parameters to then get your report to come up.
And we're going to run some other training sessions where we'll get into that in a little bit more detail. Now, obviously, Prism runs around a directory, so I need to know who my people are within my organization. How would I look at my directory?
You've got the ability to set up 3 trees. If we look at the main tree, which is the departmental tree, in here, it gives you a view of the people, the groups, and the people that you've got set up in your area. So you can see there's areas below, and if I click on this heading, it starts to show you the information about extensions, people, departments, all in there in this area.
Okay, and something that a lot of our customers use, hunt groups. How would I go in and look to see what hunt groups I'm pulling into Prism?
So a lot of information about the configuration of the system. Prism allows you to add endpoints, channel groups, hunt groups, that sort of stuff. So if I wanted to go and look at what hunt groups I've got configured, I can go to the number groups, click on that from the right-hand side there, and then in here I can see all my groups that are already configured.
I mean, obviously, look, we're just browsing around. We can read things. We're not making changes here. I guess the message is don't be afraid. Explore, find out what's in there. Don't click the recycle bins if you see them, but otherwise, you know, have a look around and see what you can find. All right, thank you very much.
So we are producing a series of these short videos, which is going to help you get the best out of Tiger Prism. So I'll see you at the next one.
Thank you. And look, each of these topics is going to be a quick overview. We've been running an Ask the Expert under our Connect banner for about 2 years now. We're going to continue to do them into next year. If you want a lot more detail on any of these topics, directory, analytics, reporting, we've done them all in detail. They're 1-hour sessions. You can find them in the Get Started area where you're watching this video. Until the next one, thank you, everyone.
Bye.